Hi everyone and welcome back to one more video of All Lite Food, the All Odia cuisine. And today I'm going to share an authentic Odia recipe made from the tomato leaves with some vegetables and the poppy seed paste. So to start the recipe, here I have taken around 50 to 70 grams of fresh tomato leaves. Wash the tomato leaves thoroughly in water and make sure to remove all the dirt. Once done, drain out from the water. Now chop these leaves roughly and keep aside. Now in a small bowl, take 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds and soak them in warm water for 30 to 40 minutes. Soaking the poppy seeds in warm water will help it to grind smoothly into fine paste. Once it's done, put them into the grinder. Put 3 to 4 cloves of garlic and the chopped tomato leaves. Now grind the poppy seeds, garlic and tomato leaves into a fine puree. Look at this. This is looking perfect. Now put them into a bowl and keep aside. Now to make the curry, here I will cut 1 potato into cubes. You can also add sweet potatoes instead. Then I am going to slice half an onion. And then I will cut half an eggplant into cubes. This is a very simple dish. You can also add raw banana, pumpkin and parwal to this recipe. Now in a pan I will add 1 tablespoon of oil. To this I am going to add 1 teaspoon of the 5 spice mix or the panch foran. And when it crackles a little bit, I will add the sliced onions. Fry the onions for a minute or 2 till the raw smell is gone. Once done, I'm going to add the vegetables, the potatoes and the eggplant straight into the pan. You don't need to cook the vegetables completely, just cook for 1 more minute. To this, add salt to taste. Here I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt and then half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give it a mix. Now to the vegetable, I am going to add the poppyseed, garlic and tomato leaves paste that we made earlier straight into the pan. The tomato leaves have a unique aroma that's making the whole kitchen aromatic. Now without stirring the vegetables and the tomato leaves paste, I'm going to cover it and let it to cook on its own steam and flavors for 15 to 20 minutes on low heat. Traditionally this is cooked in the wooden stove, which gives a very nice smoky flavor, but you can also do it on an electric stove. So it's been 15 minutes and as you can see, it's cooked perfectly. All the water and flavors are absorbed by the vegetables, the raw smell of the poppy seed is gone and the tomato leaves are cooked perfectly. Finally, now you give it a nice and gentle mix and turn off the stove. Serve hot with water rice or steamed rice and enjoy an authentic Odia cuisine. So thank you so much for watching All Lite Food, the All Odia cuisine. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so that you get notified every time there is an update. I shall see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy.